Hi guys, this is Sudev again for the second episode of my blog podcast. In the last video I talked of the first motorcycle riding experience, but I just recalled that even before this I had driven a motorized bicycle. It was not a motorcycle actually, it was a motorized bicycle way back when I was in the 6th or 7th class. One of my closest friends who used to live around 10 kilometers away from my home in Faridabad one day drove over. It was 25cc motorized bike or bicycle, small engine mounted on the rear wheel. It was such a fun to drive. You had to first pedal very hard before you let go of the vacuum and the engine would sputter to life. Once the engine was on, both of us climbed onto the bike and had a gala time. Unfortunately, by the evening, the motorcycle or the bicycle or the motorized bicycle, whatever it can be called, developed a snag. First we thought we've run out of fuel, and then we dragged it, walked almost 2 kilometers away to the petrol station and got the fuel filled up. Very expensive considering that we hardly had any pocket money. But despite all this and trying very hard, pushing, pedaling, the bicycle would not start, and we did not know anything about it. So we took it to the motorcycle repair shop nearby, and the guy had some knowledge. He tried testing. This was absolutely new system for him also, as he used to deal with only the Vespa or the Lambretta scooters, which was what was in vogue at that time. Anyway, we started looking at it, and first thing he found that there is no spark in the spark plug. So it was a learning for us also that okay, there is something called spark plug in an engine. Then he traced it back and he thought that the fault lies in the condenser. Somehow or the other he was able to source a condenser which was fitted on, and yes, the cycle started working. The engine sputtered to life. It taught me one very important thing, that you need to know the machines. In today's world, the motorcycles, cars are so reliable that we barely give it thought. But in those days, and I'm talking of now almost 55 years back, the motorcycles were a new thing, and here was this newfangled device which was not even normally available in the country. But even in the cars like Ambassador or Fiat or the Lambretta motorcycles, Vespa motorcycles as Bajaj used to be called at that time, you had to know quite a bit of it, and almost everyone carried a spare part kit or some essential spares and some tools to carry along and attend to minor repairs immediately on the roadside. On a Ambassador, you would typically have the belt, water hose, radiator cap, some mobil oil, some brake oil, and maybe a couple of spark plugs, miscellaneous wire, always available in the boot, along with tools, flask and screwdrivers, so that you can attend to some minor essential repairs and not get stranded in the middle of the journey. I will talk about how other experiences happened in my next broadcasts. Suffice to say that it is very interesting to see how almost all of us had some or the other mechanical knowledge. If you wanted to travel long distance, it was very essential that you had that. Otherwise, definitely you were going to get stranded, and with less traffic, less number of people on the road, even getting help was that much more difficult. In the last episode, I appended a picture and asked a question. What is wrong with this picture? Let's see. I will answer maybe in the next episode, but here is another picture for you to look at. Please tell me what is wrong with this picture. Comment below. Till the next time, bye.